Hey, ooh, look at that glow. Sheesh. Okay. Hey guys, it's Misha, and I'm back with another video. You gonna learn how to eat, right? Hey, hey, hey. Okay guys, you guys are going to learn what I eat in a day. In this video, you're gonna figure out what I eat in a day, what are the nutrition facts, and what are the benefits that I get from what I eat in a day, and what you'll get if you guys eat the same thing, if you guys decide to eat the same thing. So dans video ça nous parle qui ça manger dans un jour, qui nutrition que me joindre dans ça manger et qui vitamine que me joindre dans ça manger. So stay tuned. I know I'm gonna be gone for a little bit, but you know I'm still gonna be here and voice. Ooh, for breakfast, we have whole grain toast with egg whites. Yes, sir. Served with blackberries and spearmint tea. So as you guys can see here, I always start my day off with a fruit. Now, I do have to say it's very important to eat your fruits before your actual meal. Mwen table di nou que li vraiment important pour manger fruit avant que manger ou. Parce que là on mange fruit après manger ou pas prendre nutrition avec vitamine que tu dois prendre là on manger après on manger. It's very important because the nutrients and the vitamins that you have in your fruits can all be broken down and taken away if you eat it after your meal because of the protein and other things and factors that are in your meal. Another thing about eating fruits that is very helpful is that when you eat fruits first and you drink water, it helps to detoxify your body. C'est vraiment important pour manger fruits au lever le matin parce que il aide avec nettoyage dans le corps. Now, spearmint tea is really good for relieving digestive upsets, it hydrates your body, and prevents infections. Thé ça que voilà li aide en pile avec moun qui gen problème digestion, pour moun qui gen gaz et pour moun qui a vomi. These are the nutrition facts. Ça c'est nutrition que li gagne. Now, blackberries are high in fiber, so they promote a lot of weight loss, and they fuel to nourish healthy gut bacteria. So it helps a lot with your stomach as well. So it's very good for your digestive system. Fruit ça aide en pile pour moun qui veut perdre du poids, il aide en pile pour digestion dans ventre. So if you're trying to get that summer body, eat your blackberries. Okay. Here's the nutrition facts. Mes nutrition que le gagne. Now, egg whites. What are egg whites good for? They're good for curbing your appetite, building muscle, and it makes you feel full longer. Ça c'est œufs, mais partie blanc clair dans œufs. Ça aide en pile pour bon qui veut sentir ton ventre plein mais pas vraiment plein. Li aide pour capable gagner plus bibit, plus sauce. Now, the reason why I eat whole grain bread is because it's healthier and better for your heart, but it's also better for singers. Raison que manger pain ça ou le manger pain qui gagne farine blanc, c'est parce que li vraiment bon pour cœur et c'est une plus bon pain pour moun qui chante. This is honestly what I eat to start off my day, and it gets me started really well. It's not too heavy, but it holds me. Li pas trop lourd, breakfast ça pas trop lourd, mais li kembim. And the good thing about egg whites is that it has zero cholesterol. Ça gain zero cholesterol. I don't know about you guys, but I love my eggs. Y'all can keep the waffles and pancakes. Eggs are my go-to. And here's the nutrition facts. Mes nutrition que le gagne. I know y'all see the super greens. Yes, sir. This here is my drumroll. Super green salad. The cucumbers, the grilled chicken, romaine, lettuce, kale, avocado, another grilled chicken, and more. Over here is our dressing, which is made with olive oil and lemon herb. Now for my singers, be very careful. As you can see, you see a little bit of the lemon herb at the bottom because I don't want too much. Now why? Because acid is not good for us. Now this salad right here is the shebang. You got everything all in one. Nutrition, vitamins, benefits. I mean, it's a whole package. I can't even list them all, but I'm going to try my best to give you most of what you can get from this salad. Salade sa gen en pile nutrition, en pile bénéfice et en pile vitamine. Que m'pa ka même di ou tout ça là dans salade sa. Même m'a di ou majorité de bagay que capable joindre dans salade sa. Are you ready? Est-ce qu'une paille? Ouais, not too paille. Est-ce qu'une paille? Ouais. Okay. This salad is good for your immune system. It makes your bones and teeth strong. It prevents blood clotting. It supports cell growth and reproductive health. Need I say more? It supports eyesight, prevents pregnancy complications. It builds tissue. It helps your heartbeat function regularly. Come on, guys. Come on. This is the salad. Salade ça, supporte immune système. Li fait zo avec don fort. Li aide son pour pas faire boule. Li aide yeux en pile pour capable boire bien. Li éviter complications pour moun qui enceinte. Li aide cœur pour lui battre normalement. Salade ça, c'est tout bagay. With your greens, people, they're not gonna hurt you. Now, I know you guys see this cup or this glass of liquid and you guys are probably thinking, did she just pour a glass of milk? No, this is so much more than just a glass of milk. This is a shake. Now, what is the shake composed of? It has almond milk, banana, cinnamon, and you can use agave syrup or honey, but I prefer to use organic honey. Kounya, ou konnen nou wè glace sa, et nou genen pense nou mette let nan glace sa. Non, c'est pas vérité. Ça, c'est yon shake. Shake sa genye let almond, li genye cannelle, poudre cannelle, li genye fig, et li genye sirop miel. Si vous voulez, vous capable utiliser sirop agave, mais moi, préférez utiliser sirop miel parce que me chanter. Now, this shake is good for lowering blood pressure. It promotes heart health and normal blood pressure. It also promotes eye and skin health, and it's a disease-fighting oxidant. Now, one thing I would also say to be very mindful of is that you choose an almond milk that is unsweetened. Less sugar is better. Now, here's a close-up into the salad. If you want a really good salad, one of the keys to having a great salad is having fresh vegetables. Fresh everything, as a matter of fact. Everything looks fresh. Now, here's the nutrition facts. Now, you know I had to save the best for last. This right here, this is the chef's special. This is quinoa with shrimp and zucchini. Oh, just all together. Ça, c'est quinoa. Et me fait avec une végétable que me remet en pile qui est les zucchini and shrimp. Me fait avec shrimp. What I love most about quinoa is that it's so light. Super, super light. It doesn't make you feel heavy as rice would, and it doesn't leave you dissatisfied. You know bagay que me remet en pile de quinoa, c'est qu'il est vraiment léger, li pas trop lourd, li pas faire sentir ton corps mou, même genre que du riz t'a fait sentir. Now, this meal is also loaded in benefits and nutrition. It lowers blood sugar, it reduces risk of diabetes type 2 and heart disease, it promotes weight loss, the shrimp is low in calories, it reduces heart attacks, it strengthens your arteries, it promotes brain health because of astaxanthin, and it strengthens your vision as well as healthy digestion. Manger ça vraiment bon pour. Li descend sucre, li aide pour moun qui gen diabète, li fait vision pi clair, et li aide moun qui gen problème cœur. Here are the nutrition facts. Mais nutrition que le gain. One thing I would say is to be very careful not to consume too much shrimp because it can spike your cholesterol. If you guys apply the foods that I showed you, the fruits and vegetables that I showed you within your diet and your daily eating, you're gonna see a big difference in your body. Your skin's gonna be clearer, your body's gonna feel like it has more strength and energy, and you're just gonna feel overall better, and your immune system is gonna boost up. Just listen. Just do it. Et si nou aplike fruit sa yo, sa ou manje pou jounen, wap wè ki jan pou pral bel, zi ou pral bel, tout ko pral kler, et si ou bwe an pil loto wap wè an diferans. Just do it. I know I kind of sold that for like it, but just do it. I love you guys.